famous thing to come out of Cuba since the missile crisis. Made popular by the famous movie Chef starring John Favreau, which also made using cayenne pepper a thing, we all know the ingredients to a delicious, crispy Cubano. Ham, pork, Swiss cheese, pickles,
I'm pickle red!
and mustard.
Boy, oh boy. Nothing beats a hot and
Pressed down together and toasted in Cuban bread in a panini press. One day, I was in the bathroom and was playing with my mother's hair straightener. Being the culinary genius that I am, I thought it kind of looked like a panini press, and I had the brilliant idea to make tiny Cuban sandwiches, which at the time seemed like a silly idea, and I now realize is a genius idea. So we rushed to the supermarket and got some ingredients. It's never been done before, for good reason. It will probably never be done again, also for good reason. Ladies, gentlemen, and non-binary people, I present you making Cuban sandwiches with a hair straightener. The first problem had arisen. The hair straightener was small, very small, and I needed very small pieces of bread to toast. And the only way I could think of doing that was by making my own bread. The next day, after several hours of the bread rising and proofing, I was ready to roll it into tiny loaves and bake them at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Here they are, nice and ready. Now I just cook the pork chop. Slice these very tiny pickles. Cut up some ham and Swiss, there's the mustard, and boom, all the ingredients were ready. Now just to use the hair straightener.
Mistake in one of the building steps, and Jackson walks around me to grab this orange tongue, and he's like, "Charlie, this is the tool you use to take that off."
Well, he's an old frail man. He told me that his arm was injured like a week before.
So not only is
Oh shit, it worked! So yeah, it turned out perfectly. Of course, it was the best thing ever. Look how crispy they are. And they taste really, really good too. Yeah, I take it back. This is a great idea. Just make sure you put tin foil over the hair straightener so you don't get cheese stuck to your hair. Well, in conclusion, we actually made some pretty decent little sandwiches. And they tasted nice too. For being made in a literal hair straightener, they turned out pretty good. That was certainly an experience. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. If you did like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you septipliers later. Bye-bye.